पाटलिपुत्र न्यूज, खबर वही जो हकीकत।
This is the usual monetary policy statement, and there are four aspects of the statement. In the first part, I would spell out the deliberations which took place in the MPC and the decision of the MPC. In the second part, I would provide some guidance to financial markets. In the third part, I would announce some additional measures, and we have a number of them this time. And in the fourth part, which is the concluding part, I would conclude by spelling out our approach in the coming months and going forward. The Monetary Policy Committee met on 2nd, 3rd and 4th December. It reviewed current macroeconomic and financial developments, both domestic and global, and the evolving outlook for the Indian economy. At the end of its deliberations, the MPC voted unanimously to leave the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. It also decided to continue with the accommodative stance of monetary policy as long as necessary, at least through the current financial year and into the next year, to revive growth on a durable basis and mitigate the impact of COVID-19, while ensuring that inflation remains within the target going forward. The marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate, and the bank rate remain unchanged at 4.25%. The reverse repo rate stands unchanged at 3.35%. I wish to take this opportunity to express my appreciation of the committee members for their valuable insights and guidance that contributed to the monetary policy decision taken today. I would also like to thank our teams in the Reserve Bank of India for their analytical and intellectual support and logistical assistance. Let me begin by setting out the thinking that went into the MPC's decision today and its rationale. The MPC was of the view that inflation is likely to remain elevated with some relief in the winter months from prices of perishables and bumper Kharif arrivals. This constrains monetary policy at the current juncture from using the space available to act in support of growth. At the same time, the signs of recovery are far from being broad-based and are dependent on sustained policy support. A small window is available for proactive supply management strategies to break the inflation spiral being fueled by supply chain disruptions, excessive margins, and indirect taxes. Further efforts are necessary to mitigate supply-side driven inflation pressures. The MPC will monitor closely all threats to price stability to anchor broader macroeconomic and financial stability.
ऐसे वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में बेल आइकन दबाएं।